how to join Snapchat groups. So if you want to join Snapchat groups, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with your chat section, and under chats, if you go with the bottom right, which has that plus option, blue color, like pencil shaped interface. Once you tap on it, and then from here you will have new group option. You'll be able to create a group, right? But if you want to join a group that's already been created, then you won't be able to join that group. In order to join a group, the other person should invite you. Without an invite, you'll not be able to join a group. So you just need to simply go and create a group. Once you've created the group, then you can just simply tap on the group and tap on the group name or the profile. And here you need to scroll down, and here you will have invite via link. So if the other person taps on this and sends you this link, then you can just simply tap on the link and you'll be able to join the group. So that's how you can join Snapchat groups with the invite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.